Got a sweet and savory masterpiece for y'all today. We're gonna start with a can of apple pie filling, 21 ounces. All right, got that scraped out. Get that spread along the bottom of your 9x13 baking dish. You got that nice and spread around. We're gonna bring over our thin cut pork chops that we're just gonna lie on top of our apples here. Nice. Spread around. Let's get this little guy for right here. Then we're gonna throw our seasonings on top of them pork chops. We got thin cut pork chops, by the way. We got our garlic powder. Throw on there some chipotle pepper. You can also do cayenne if you want to do that. Some salt. And of course, pepper. Like I said, this is going to be an amazing sweet and savory meal for you and the fam. Trust me. All right, once we got the meat on there, we're going to come over here to our mixing bowl. We got some stuffing we're going to throw in there. I got the savory herb mix because that goes pretty well with this. We're going to throw in 1 cup of chicken broth. If you don't have broth on you, you can just throw in some water. And 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And get those nice and mixed together as best you can. If it still looks slightly dry after mixing it all together, that's okay. It'll cook and moisten up and stuff. Once you got that nice and mixed together, we're gonna come back to our pork chops and just spread it over the top. Scrape that thing out. Try to get it evenly spread over the top here. Go. And as a final touch, crushed up some kettle chips. We're just gonna put as a little crusty layer on top. All right, we got our crunchy layer on top there. So now we're gonna just loosely put some foil over the top of it. It doesn't need to be like sealed or anything. We just kind of loosely over the top. We got the oven preheated to 375. We're gonna put in there for 35 minutes with the foil on top. And then after 35 minutes, you're gonna wanna go for 10 minutes without the foil. Take the foil off for another 10 minutes. So it's 45 minutes altogether. Let's take this thing out. We put in 35 with foil and 10 minutes with it uncovered. And here we go. It's looking good. Almost looks like we're coming into summer, which is a tasty time to eat this, but it looks like it could be good for Thanksgiving too, or like fall, winter.
Look at it sizzling.
But it's tasty year round for sure. So I'm gonna let this cool down for about 5 minutes and we're gonna try it. I think it's time to try this thing. Make sure I get one of them pork chops under there. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Look at that.
Mmm. Look at all those layers.
This is like the ultimate sweet and savory. Cut in.
Make sure we get all the things.
Gotta get all the stuff. Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Chips and everything. Mmm. It makes me think of like Thanksgiving dinner with some like pork chops in there. It really is like that perfect mix of sweet and savory. And I actually got my mom here from South Carolina today. Come here, Mom. I'm gonna have my mom try it. I think you got a fork right there. Got a knife right there. You can just cut off my piece.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see how Ma likes it.
Yummy.
Don't burn yourself. Oh.
Mmm. Like Thanksgiving.
You like it really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. I couldn't tell. Tell them what did it taste like to you?
Like Thanksgiving.
Like Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving in the summer. It's a new hit.